Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Caldwell Classics. Today we're gonna mock up the fuse box and possibly go work on the Civic. Video on that coming soon. But let me show you guys the fuse box that we're gonna be running. So I've got this guy right here, little cheap fuse box from Amazon. Okay. Sorry, kind of hard to open with one hand. But little cheap fuse box from Amazon. It's got all of your power points here with the fuses, and then up here, this is all grounds. So this is gonna make things really super simple. These are not what they're really gonna be labeled as. I just didn't have the correct sticker, so I just threw random shit on there. Radio, not really gonna be a radio, as you guys already know. So we're gonna mock this up today. And yes, I hate the fact that I have to do this to my truck. So we're gonna be mocking that up over here on this side, right about here, just to see placement, just to make sure it's gonna fit, and then we're gonna sit in the truck, make sure it clears, I've got leg room, and then from there we're gonna figure out how where we're gonna run our wires. I'm probably gonna utilize this thing right here as like a clamp point for my wire loom, just so I can keep everything kind of nice, kind of neat, keep it tidy. This way we're not, what am I looking for? This way we're not disorganized and it's not a mess. So let's go ahead, let's get into the truck, let's go ahead and figure this out. Okay, so fuse box is mounted with that top screw that's gonna hold the ABS plastic in place. So let's go ahead and let's see. Oh yeah. Plenty of leg room to keep my foot over here away from the clutch pedal. Plenty of space between my leg and the fuse block. So yeah, I think that's gonna get it. And yeah, it looks pretty good right there where it's at. I said last video that I might move it to the passenger side once we do the 302 and 5-speed swap, but I honestly think I'm just gonna leave it right where it's at. It's in a really good position. There's really no reason to move it. It keeps it away from my passengers, and it's right here, so if anything needs to be swapped out, changed, whatever, it's gonna be good to go. So I really like where it's at. I think I'm gonna leave it, and I think what we can do now is we can go grab our radio and we can do a mock-up location for it and see where we're gonna install it. So let's go grab that real quick. Okay, so right here we have our radio, well, amplifier, I should say. This is our amplifier. Our radio is the Drock Bluetooth board that is gonna receive a Bluetooth signal and then send audio signal out to this, and then this will send audio signal out to the speakers that are behind the seat. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna mock this thing up. I have a prime location. I'll show you real quick. This little guy right here, I'm thinking about utilizing it to mount the amplifier, and then I don't know where I'm gonna mount the actual Bluetooth module itself, but let's go ahead and let's get this mocked up. All right, so that's probably honestly where it's gonna sit. I really like that location. It's over here, only I can mess with the volume. So, and the cool thing about this is it's got little mounting holes on the bottom. So I'm thinking about possibly just mounting the actual Bluetooth receiver board to the bottom of this. But if not, I'm probably gonna mount it back behind there. I just don't know if it'll get signal. I am sorry though that I can't really get good angles of me working on things. I'm like the only one doing this. I have nobody to hold camera for me. So, I really like that placement, but back to the whole me not being able to get footage for you guys. I am buying a gimbal with a tripod, so hopefully that will make filming a lot easier. But that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you would be so kind to like, comment, and subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. Share the videos with your friends. If you guys want to learn how to do your own wiring and get an old school vehicle up and running again, you can watch my channel, or you can look up Puddin's Fab Shop. He's the whole reason that I'm doing what I'm doing. So he's been a big inspiration to me. His whole thing is follow your dreams, and a lot of YouTubers will tell you that. So this is me following my dream, and I really would appreciate it if you guys would help support that, because without you guys, this dream isn't possible. So thank you all, and have a great day.